Hello everyone! Welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the December 2022 Crazy Cat Lady Box. So I just received this a couple of days ago and Alice can't wait for me to open this. So let's open it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. Okay, so this is the little card. Oh my god, this is so cute. So we have like little cats with how do you call that in English? I don't know. It's like with reindeer. I don't know how you call that. So anyway, a headpiece, something like that. So this is super cute. The featured cat lady artist is Julia Martyshkina. She's an illustrator, mom, traveler, and a big dreamer. Alice, you're making a lot of noise. Hey, hey. Okay, wait. Okay. Let's check what toys we have. Okay, let's check the toys. Let's check the toys. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna check one of the self-played, I guess, toys because we have a wand. So we're just gonna check this one so I can give it to her. So where is she? She's here. So she can play with this. So what is it? Oh, I think it's like a Christmas ornament. So this is kind of cute. There's a little I'm losing my English today. I'm sorry. So what does it say? It says with catnip, meowy and bright ornament for cats only. Okay, let's remove the, oh no. So this is cute. I'm not sure it's my favorite cat toy. I think there were better ones last time, I think last time it was like a Christmas tree and I'm not sure what else. Was it like a Christmas sock or something like that? I don't really remember, but this is cute. They are probably gonna play with this anyway. You want to play with it? Do you want to play with this? There you go. So let's see the price of the Christmas ornament. So it says $5. So that's pretty good. The next thing we have is a wand. It's been a long time since we got wands in this box. Okay, so this is what we have. So there's a feather and there's a diamond. Yellow diamond. Am I missing something? Is this Christmassy? Dangling diamond? How is it Christmassy? Am I missing something? Does anyone knows like what's the diamond thing? I put the cat toy that we got in, I don't remember what box. And Nico just found it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the cord is very long. It's kind of elastic. No, is it? No, it's not. I thought it was. It's not elastic at all. So they are going to love this because they love the kind of toys with feathers. They eat it. Nico is very interested. So I'm gonna make sure I show you like when I play with him, but right now I'm just gonna hide it because I don't wanna change the camera around and everything. So this is the dangling diamond catnip toy. Does it say? It says $6. And yeah. So let's see what we have. Can I see? I'm gonna open this. Thank you. Okay. So we have a, how do they call that? Kitty cat beanie hat. Okay, so in French we would say like a tuque. So I'm gonna remove my Christmas hat and I'm gonna put this. Oh, I love it! Oh, this is so cute. I already have a cat tuque, a cat beanie, or I don't know how you call it, but I already have one and I really love it. Everyone is always super like, oh wow, I love your tuque and everything. But now I have two. Yes! I love these kind of stuff. So this seems kind of hot for the winter, so I'm super excited to wear this. There's a snowstorm right now outside. There's like, I think 15 or 20 centimeter on the ground, and it's gonna snow tomorrow too, and maybe Sunday. And yeah, they say that we're gonna get about 30 to 35 centimeter, but so yeah, so we're used to it in Quebec, but you know, I prefer snow than rain, so it's okay. So this is super cute. There's like a little nose and little mustache in like silver. That's super cute, and like I said, it's pretty warm, I think. And super cute, super cute. I love this. I am going to wear this. This is the knit cat beanie hat, $20. That's expensive. Okay. It says the perfect hat to keep you warm and cozy, cat lady style. So yeah, I really love this. I know I've said it like 100 times, but yeah. This is super good. I'm happy, super happy. Yeah, we will do the t-shirt now. I love the color. This is my favorite color. Okay, I'm obsessed with this color. It's like green but with some blue in it. I'm gonna show you first. I didn't see what it said. What does it say? What does it say? Hold on, I see a cat. Oh, I love this. This is cute. Oh, I love the combination of the yellow and the blue-green. Oh, wow, I love this. I'm searching for a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or anything this color so I can wear it with like jeans, and like I want to buy like a faux fur, not faux fur, faux I want to buy like a faux leather jacket and wear it with this color and jeans, and oh my god, I love it. This is like, it's my colors. I love this so much. Hold on, I see a cat. This is super cute. I love this. Nice. I'm super happy. The t-shirt is $23 as always. It says, every cat lady knows if you see a cat, you always stop. Try. It says, every cat lady knows if you see a cat, you always stop. I've tried to say the phrase that was written there for like 2 or 3 times, and every time I mess up. But I think we're missing a word, and that's why I'm messing up. It says, okay, I'm going to read it, okay? It says, every cat lady knows, if you see a cat, you always stop trying to pet it, or at least say hi. So we're missing a word, right? So yeah, I was trying to be like cute and everything, but we're missing a word. But it's okay, that's a mistake. Honest mistake. Doesn't matter. So the last thing, I think, let's see, and let's give the box to Alice. Wait, you need to get in, not push it. Okay, so the last thing we have are glasses with 2 black cats on it. This is super cute. You know, this is like the kind of stuff that I would have thought I would get in the October. Is it the October? Yeah, the October box, the black cat box. Like that's the kind of stuff I thought that I would get in the box. But instead we get it in the Christmas. It's not very Christmassy. I feel like the old box is not Christmassy. Is it me? Let's open the box. Let's see what we have. It says retro cat wine glasses. I cannot open it. I can't open it. I do not want to destroy the box, but can I? Oh my god, are you serious? Like I'm pulling. Oh my god. What the hell? Can I get in the box, please? Please. I want to see what we have. Oh my god, I got it. I got it. Okay. One, two. So it did say set of 2. So it's really well packed. Ooh, nice. I don't know if you're gonna see well because it's glass. So there's like 2 cats on the front, 2 cats in the back. This is pretty cute. And we have to, let's see the other one just to make sure it's not broken, because, you know, it could arrive broken. But it's pretty well packed, so not too scared. Yeah. So this is really cute. I really love this. I don't know if I'm gonna drink wine in this. That's the kind of glass I feel like I would drink anything in. Water, Pepsi, name it. So I cannot open the box. Please. Can I please? Come on. Okay. Okay. So the glasses are the retro cat wine glasses. Cheers to cats. Our new exclusive cat wine glass set makes any beverage amazing. It's valued at $23. Again, very expensive. I'm not sure I would have paid $23 for this, but like, I'm not saying it's not worth it. I think it's just very expensive. I cannot close the box. It's like, it's box. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, so super good. I'm super happy. I really love this. Really love this. I really like the color of the t-shirt. I think the little phrase is really cute. And the two toys are, I think they are really great. They are not my favorite. I don't know what is the diamond thing. And the Christmas ornament is really simple. It's not a bad thing. It's just very simple. So yeah, pretty much a very good box. So the Christmas, not the Christmas box, but the December 2022 Crazy Cat Lady box, I think was a pretty good one. What do you think? So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of the box. Tell me what's your favorite thing. Would you wear this? Would you use this for wine? Tell me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!